Step by step, how to make money online with AI in 2025. Hey everyone, if you want to build income online using AI in 2025, this video is for you. Part 1. Why AI is the game changer. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude have revolutionized online work. You don't need to be a coder or designer anymore, just creativity plus a bit of strategy. Part 2. 3 proven ways to make money using AI. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to write blogs, social media posts, or scripts. Monetize via Medium, affiliate links, or your website. Freelancing with AI tools. Offer services on Fiverr and Upwork. Copywriting, image generation, data analysis. Sell AI-generated products. Use Midjourney for art, Canva plus AI for templates, and sell on Etsy or Gumroad. Part 3. Real examples and motivation. Show success stories and testimonials of people earning $500,000 a month. If they can do it, so can you. Start with what you have. Pick one tool. Take action today. Drop a comment if you're ready. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more daily videos on AI and online income.